Welcome. We will unlock the power of business intelligence with Microsoft's most interactive data tool. Power BI is an interactive data visualization software designed to turn raw numbers into actionable business insights. As a core part of the Microsoft Power Platform, it bridges the gap between data and executive decision-making. Reporting has evolved from static pages to dynamic, real-time environments that update at the speed of business. Why Power BI? Because it allows you to visualize the past, monitor the present, and predict the future of your company. In this course, we will cover everything from basic charts to advanced DAX and report publishing. We begin with the fundamentals: downloading, installing, and navigating the Power BI desktop environment. Learn to connect to various services and content packs to grab your data from anywhere. Master the art of building a robust data model, the engine behind every high-performance report.
Visualize geography by creating basic maps, filled maps, and custom maps for global data analysis. Deep dive into regional reporting, including specific layouts for territories like India and Australia.
Go beyond charts with tables and matrices, featuring conditional formatting and custom hierarchies.
Unlock the power of visuals. Master the use of pie, donut, and ribbon charts. Master line and area charts with drill-down capabilities to see the finer details of your trends. Understand variances and distributions using waterfall charts, scatter plots, and tree maps. Use cards and gauges to highlight your most critical KPIs, the numbers that matter most. Control your data with text, date, and number slicers for an interactive user experience. Stand out with advanced visuals, animated bar races, word clouds, and Sankey diagrams. Create a seamless app-like experience using page navigation, bookmarks, and drill-through actions. Put your skills to the test as we build a comprehensive Superstore report from scratch. Take your reports to the cloud. Publish to the Power BI service to share and collaborate with your team. Set it and forget it. Learn how to automate data refreshes so your insights are always up to date. Unlock the full potential of data transformation with Power Query and advanced DAX formulas. Earn your professional certification and join the ranks of expert data storytellers. Turn data into decisions. Your Power BI journey starts here. Enroll today.